In this quick guide, we're going to walk you through how to track and approve global payroll in Deel. Whether you're a business owner, manager, or HR professional, knowing how to efficiently handle payroll on a global scale can make all the difference. Stick around until the end for a special offer. I'll show you how to access Deel for free with exclusive bonuses, so keep watching. First things first, Deel is a platform designed to help businesses manage their global workforce, including payroll. It's especially useful if you have remote employees or contractors spread across various countries. Deel simplifies global payroll by handling the complexities of different tax regulations, currencies, and employment laws. To start tracking payroll, log into your Deel account. From the dashboard, you'll have an overview of your global team. Each employee or contractor's payment status is clearly displayed, including any pending or completed payments. You can easily see which payroll cycles are upcoming or overdue, giving you full visibility on your global payroll needs. When you're ready to approve payroll, you can go to the payroll section within Deel. Here, you'll see a detailed list of employees and contractors who are due for payment. Deel automatically calculates salaries, taxes, and any other deductions based on the local laws of the country they're working from. This is where Deel's global payroll tracking really shines. It takes care of the complexities for you. Now, let's talk about approving payments. In Deel, you have a couple of options. You can approve payroll for individuals or for multiple employees at once. You'll see a breakdown of all the charges, including gross pay, tax withholdings, and any additional fees. If everything looks good, simply hit Approve Payroll, and Deel will take care of the rest. Another great feature in Deel is the ability to customize payroll schedules. You can set up weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly payroll cycles based on your business needs. This flexibility is key when managing a global workforce with varying payment preferences. Deel also integrates with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero, making it easier to sync payroll data and keep your finances in check. This integration ensures that your accounting and payroll systems are aligned without the need for manual data entry. But it doesn't stop there. Deel also allows you to generate reports for auditing and compliance purposes. This feature is essential for keeping track of payroll expenses, taxes, and other important financial data. You can export reports to Excel or PDF formats, and Deel ensures that all the necessary details are included for tax purposes and employee record keeping. So whether you're tracking one employee or managing hundreds, Deel helps you streamline the payroll process and ensures you stay compliant with local laws. If you're new to Deel, don't worry. Getting started is quick, and the platform's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate. Now, if you want to try Deel for yourself, you can use it completely free from the link below, and we've got exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Whether you're managing payroll for a small team or a global workforce, Deel gives you the tools you need to handle everything in one place. And remember, if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll find out how to unlock an extended free trial with even more perks, so don't miss out.